What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Louis Gucci, and I'm back with another video. Today finna be a little POV video, man. If y'all new to the channel, man, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. You feel me? I just came from hooping. I ain't gonna lie, it feel nice out here too. I ain't gonna lie. I'm supposed to be doing my brakes, my brake calipers, painting my brake calipers today. I don't know if I'm gonna get that in today's video or make another video or not, but I know I gotta get y'all this POV, man. We at 900 subscribers now. You feel me? We almost at that 1,000. We finna be at 1,000 real soon, man. But make sure y'all subscribe if y'all new, if y'all returning, and y'all ain't subscribed yet. You don't have to subscribe, man. But yeah, man, we finna go and hit that expressway up right quick. I might do a couple of pulls through these little blocks. I don't know. Let y'all see how it sound. It's it feel decent today, man. It says 80, 84 out there, but I don't really know. Hopefully the sound of the windows, I ain't got no sunroof, but it's hot with the windows up. And I gotta get y'all this video, but hopefully the sound ain't messing the video up too bad where y'all can't hear me. I wanna do a pull, but I don't know where I'm at for real, for real. But yeah, man, I don't know if I told y'all either, but I had recently just changed out my 180 thermostat. I had to change it again because it was failing. It was on the verge of overheating. Like, I watched it for a couple of days and the temperature kept going, it kept rising as it got hotter outside. So I changed it out. Let me see. I changed it out, and it barely go over 185 now. And I've been rocking this one for a little minute, and it barely go over 185. So, and I'm talking about on the hottest days out, dang near 100 degrees outside, AC on. Barely, it don't even go. The highest it went to was like 190, but I adjusted all my fans and stuff. I did that. Yeah, man. Since then, we've been cool. I would get caught at a red light, but yeah, since then we've been cool. Temp's been good, been low. You feel me? See, now we at the red light. It's 181. But we good though. Hopefully we see somebody out here, you know, that I get some little content. But yeah, man, I just left the court, busting him. That boy like it. That boy running. Yeah, man, I just won like 10 games straight out there, man. Can't nobody stop me. I don't like Curry out there for real, when it comes to this hooping. I'm gonna let the windows down. There's a Camaro back there. This mug do get up, man. Sleep on a little 5.7. I don't know if y'all see the Camaro. He just switched lanes. I'm turning though. Let's see if he follow me. I don't really know these streets like that. Oh yeah, he following me. He might want to get one in. Ooh, ooh. I might give y'all a little walk around, depending on how I feel, man. I need to get a mount for my camera. I mean, for my, so I can mount the phone up and make some videos for y'all. Finna see if it's traffic on the expressway. See what they got going on, man. Let me see. Y'all stay tuned too, bro. I just ordered some stuff too, some new mods, man. They coming in. They'll be here real soon, man. Y'all stay tapped in, man. I'm telling y'all. We finna go crazy. Expressway all slow. It's too damn high. I gotta crack the windows. And hopefully y'all can hear. Let's see. I'm just gonna let all the windows up right quick. I don't want the wind to mess up the video. I'm pretty sure y'all can still hear it. Still hear the exhaust. It look more dark up here though. See if I cut up right quick. Y'all let me know too, man. Comment on the video if y'all still watching. How it sound. I'm finna do something with the exhaust. In one of my upcoming videos. These days, man, I just be chilling. They don't want to let me in front of them. It's a cornball. Bro, if I had a sunroof, the lighting would be so much better. POVs would be so much better, man. What y'all think about an email tune? If I do an email tune on my car, what y'all think? Is that a good or bad move? Is an email tune a good or a bad move, man? Y'all let me know in the comments. I've been thinking about doing one of those. I got a lot of stuff, a lot of tricks up my sleeve for real that I want to do. I just gotta get that shit done. driving, man. Y'all ever be driving and then y'all be so locked in. That's what's going on right now, man. I'm locked in, one hand. Nah, it's two hands on the wheel for real, but it's more comfortable with one hand though. I gotta do some more POVs, man. Let me know if y'all rocking with the POVs. I know y'all want to see some cut up POVs, man. Cut up POVs coming real soon. Every time when I'm recording a video, people just be put up. Like, people just be in the crib. Not regular NPCs, but as soon as I ain't thinking about a video, bro, that's when I see all kind of Lamborghinis and whatever you name, bro. I mean, everything. As soon as I want to make a video, ain't nobody to be found. It's wicked out here. I might go to the gas station, fill this thing up, or I might wait till tomorrow. I don't know. But make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to the videos, man. Yeah, just stay tuned.